Alright, so today I want to make my own server using Express.js, and the first thing we gotta do is initialize the node package by using the terminal. So I just add the new terminal. In Windows, sometimes if you use the PowerShell, it didn't work well, so I'm gonna add another one using command prompt. So I just gonna do the initialize the project first. So npm init, the package name you can use any name you want. I'm gonna name it express exercise. So we're just gonna do the default settings. Just enter until it shows us the name of our express and the version and the other stuff. And if it's okay, then let's just enter. In here there's gonna show the package JSON, and next we gotta do is install the express. So just type npm install express. Alright, the express is already installed, and the next step is we're gonna make another file, for example just server.js. In here we're gonna code our server, but first we gotta import the express by doing the import express from express, and then we're gonna validate our express. You can use any name, like for example your name, or I'm just using the app. So the next step is if we're gonna start our server, we need to add the port. So in here we're gonna add app dot listen 3000, and what this code mean is the server is gonna run at the localhost 3000, and if we tried run the server in the terminal using node server.js, oh I forgot to save, so don't forget to save. And we're gonna try again node server.js. Now the server will be it cannot get because there's nothing yet. So we gotta add a get to says hello world. For example, we're gonna save it and rerun the server. And the web should pop up the hello world. And now we're gonna try the app.post. We're just gonna do app.post. So what is this code means is if we put the root using /data, it will send the data retrieve, and whatever here is gonna show the data that we put or post. I'm using the JSON stringify because here the rec.body is a JavaScript object that contains the JSON data sent from Postman. If I send is something object, then rec.body will look like an object data. But if I send it directly, sometimes Express won't display it nicely as text in the response. That's why I'm using just JSON stringify body. This makes it easier to send back as a plain text. So basically the JSON stringify means I'm embedding the object as a readable string inside the response. And if we're gonna do the post thing, we have to add app.use express.json. So this line is very important because normally when the data comes to the client in JSON format, Express doesn't automatically understand it. The data arrives as a raw string. By adding the app.use express.json, I tell the Express to use middleware that parse the JSON data from here from the request body and converts it into a JavaScript object. So when I later access the rec.body, it's already converted and ready to use. So I'm just gonna save it and rerun the server. And if I go to the Postman, and if it doesn't look like this, you can just do new HTTP. So in here we're gonna insert our local host, and we to post or insert a data as a JSON, you can go to body row and change it into the JSON. So in here I'm gonna add for example name, and the value is Alif. first we're gonna try the get, and we're gonna send it, and it's gonna show the hello world here. And if we gonna add this data and show it, we're gonna use, don't forget to change it into post and change the directory to the slash data, and we're gonna send it. And in here gonna show us the name Alif. So that's it for me. Thank you.